Now,
I think the cable is not used because sometimes we got a better color.
No.
Okay.
Rafa, have you tested it actually?
So here's the map, okay? So, after the go live, Nikolai and Felix will do a talk about the technical implementation. We've been working 1 month on it.
Elapsed time or
What?
elapsed time or man month?
Sorry?
Elapsed time or 1 month?
1 man month. 1 month. No. Hey, okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We are unique. I mean, you don't like it?
I love it. We thought we should go back to the roots.
Yeah. I mean, come on. We're hosting it at GeoCities. Whoa, it's for Internet Explorer 4. We already have a lot of visits. So let's see if it worked, the countdown, really? Yeah, this is the new one. Okay. Now Felix and Nikolai will talk about the features. There are some really cool features, and yeah, thanks. And cool. Nikolai, Felix. Hey, this design is mine. Eh? No, it's a Twitter bootstrap thing, by the way. It's a Twitter bootstrap thing. So. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. No, but can you?
So, I will tell you a little bit about what I do for last weeks. Just a little bit about technical details. So, who participated in the work? It's just well-known faces for us. I think that after today, the count of contributors will increase. I think it will be resourced, so every of you can participate. Just okay.
So we have more features in the pipeline.
Stuff. Scala clarification, use heroes hosting, and Travis is continuous integration server.
And code ship also, to deploy to our.
Rafa would say more about it. If you are interested. So, we tried to integrate all the services which we use in our everyday life and gather all the information from them and show in one place, our web application. So we used Java, API use RSS, Twitter, and GitHub. Some we gathered information from our blogs, and you can easily add your own blog to the application. It's a short instruction how to do it. I can show you how we get the list of blogs inside the application. It's just part of application config. It's very simple. You just need to add the line with the level of your blog. If you need any text which you use to mark our scala post. As the previous speaker said, we use JSON library to parse information from such APIs as Tab API and Grab. It is very easy and like you just need to case class. Then you have to add format in the scope variable. And then just call validate with the name of your case class. It's very easy.
Yeah, I think a little different. Perfect, and I thought that idea because we had lots of talks during the last year, and it would be nice if you had a better overview of who talked about what and what were the topics, and for example, how many talks related to functional programming or how many talks related to test-driven development or something else. And so we decided to make it easy for everyone to add his own talk after we had it during the meeting. And it's pretty simple. We have a directory, this default play config directory. You just add a markdown file, this timestamp and the short title, and then the talk will appear on the homepage. And even if you have some troubles, not too complicated, just commit it or make a pull request in GitHub.
I don't understand. This is for if you want to give a talk or if you have.
If you had given a talk and yes, I will show you the website. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Reload. Okay. I just do it talk which is not very much start from first because it's very good. It's just edit the first 15 talks or so. In it's sorted from the last November to March currently in the files in the directory. And we have just, for example, if I search for functional programming, another layout. You have here just inputs about the talk. There you can find the code, the video, the links to the meetup event, etc. And this one I copied just from the Google Books forum and did some formatting. But that's I think that's the talk with the most description with. Yeah, the most stuff is in the code and in the video. And
Can you link to speaker deck or slide share or something?
It's already there.
because we have always here this link to the slides, and so you can just. I mean, I don't know where to meet it. In this case, it's I'll try to open a PDF file.
But if you go to the detail, for instance, look for Sebastian. Sebastian, notes in there. Yeah. And then if you go down, these are the talks you made, and then if you click on the details, click on the title of play a la Reigns, for instance. So we even extract from the Meetup API because we tagged you in those pictures. We extracted on the fly.
And the slides are also.
Yeah, some of you might. There are some. If you look for Yago, we have to tag. So now, if you look for Yago, actually, when somebody looks for your name on the you go to error handling in Scala. So we had to tag the toad.
I like the hand tag. The hand on the hand.
Yeah, also, yeah. But the toads is
People Google it first.
And this is, for example, that's all you have to contribute to LLF. The only mandatory fields are the title and the speaker. And it would be nice if you add your meetup member ID together. And the meetup event ID is nice because so we have all talks. You can link back to the meetup event. And Twitter use some text so it's easier to find stuff. And slides, video, or just a simple and then here you have the markdown part. You can write everything markdown allows, and but most of the time it's enough to just make some lists or some marked rules. It's convenient to use. Just some technical details. No. You mean the...
No, it's a play framework application. And we use this library that is one of the things I mentioned now, it's back down.
So in the first page you have the files, they are just in the play directory. And you have this method to read the file from the play directory. Then the next part, it only took me about 10 minutes to handle the markdown to HTML rendering. I didn't put any effort in it, just use this markdown library. It's also from Matthias Dönitz, the guy who wrote Play. And you just put in a string on the file and say I want HTML from it, and you can put it to the left and it's fine. So now everybody of you is wanted to add his own talks or improve talks for the past and add additional details so we can have a nice repository of talks that is useful for the next years.
What about you? You haven't shown the blog section?
Can you show more of the website? Just click over it.
Yeah. So on the front page, there is these pictures that are also extracted from the Meetup API. The upcoming events we are showing here, the next two ones. The tweet stream here, and the one we show at the moment, one past event here on the left. And then on the bottom, we have talks which we extract from from the information that Felix just mentioned. And at the moment we show here the ones we have a video. So if you click there, the videos makes and puts online, and that's what you will get directly there. And at the bottom we have our sponsors. And we forgot to mention, by the way, just today, as usual, Open Force is sponsoring the drinks, which we didn't mention it. And we would also have 3 books from O'Reilly and 2 books from Manny today to raffle. And if you go to the blog section, that's also a cool section, yeah. It takes a bit in the beginning. We are running on the Heroku free instance. So what Nikolai was explaining is if you have your own blog which provides an RSS feed, you wanted to it's what you mentioned before. We aggregate your posts here.
Yeah, when I wanted to make this page first time, I wanted to store all the information in the Rafa about it, where this is the data, but the result we don't use precise control. We use play cache to cache the information from just blocks and to show you this page. So if you refer the page, it will take just 15 seconds to show you again. So you may use navigation by text to find the posts by recent.
So if you would like your blog post to be shown here, when you click directly on the title, then you're linked to your own website. If you click on one of the details, one of the titles, then you go directly to your website.
Do you filter somehow so that on every post of my RSS feed is shown here? Do you filter the posts somehow, or do you show every post from your RSS feeds?
No, we also show your post from the last holidays.
No, but that's not right only about Scala, right? So whatever.
So can you show?
We can all the Scala related posts from the register. Sources.
But you cache every post from every source.
Just the description provided in
But you don't filter the posts.
Oh yes,
We do. You show the configuration in the slide. So when you put your there, that's the config, the play config file. You can define there.
Other categories, okay.
Those are the default categories, but here you can define also a specific for you.
All right.
But what are the categories?
If you don't define any, or Nikolai, what's the?
Yeah, if you don't define a category for your own block, then it's will be used default categories shown on top.
So if you use Scala as a category in your posts, then you don't need to put it there because it's already up there. But if you use, I don't know, reactive programming, then you put it on your own feed. Okay, and if we switch back to the so we also have the photo stream.
It's the Java applet.
JavaScript. So here we have all the pictures. So the pictures that are added to Meetup will be automatically shown from the newest to the oldest. And we also have a link to our Google group mailing list. And
Michi, habt ihr Live-Bild?
the about page, well, at the moment, a description of who we are and the contributors that, as Nikolai was saying, that we extract this information from the GitHub API. And if you go up to the contributors, not to forget Petra, Manuel, Christian, and yeah, we all worked this last month bringing this to life. And I think it's a pretty cool.
I want to say that I didn't do anything. My face is already. Yeah, no, it's unfair. It's unfair.
You committed. That's a first bug. That's a first bug. No, you committed your feed, your blog feed.
Yeah.
So.
Gut, dann müssen wir wieder ins Bild setzen. Also, Entschuldigung.
Yes. It's okay. We have to move. We have to make the repo public because we didn't want everybody to see the super duper GeoCities Yahoo based theme before the time.
Ganz kurz, wir waren noch zwei Göttel.
You were not here. Did you arrive when we had started with the presentation already?
No.
Just now. You just arrived now, okay. Because we made some small changes to the styling at the end. I will show it to you. Okay, then thanks a lot.